Now let's see how to use the knowledge base and upload some manuals to it. So I have chosen a few manuals. One because I wanted to show you the different types. So first I've chosen is a list of fault codes. Okay, so you'll see it here. So this is the list of the fault codes. Okay, and then there is a wiring diagram here. Okay, it has a safety circuit and some Kartop junction box, and this is the ARD diagram. Okay, this is from the AS380 by step. We generally do not give any manuals, and you have to put the manuals on your own. So let's see. Let's open this. Controller. So now I have just entered some details. I'll complete the details and come back to you once it is indexed. Okay, now I have filled in all the details here. So I will upload an index. Okay, so it says pending, and then it will go for indexing, and then it will be ready. So it takes quite some time. That is the reason I have just put a very few pages here. So because it will take a lot of time otherwise if you have big manuals. So I'll just pause this video and come back to you once it is done. So as you can see now, the status for all the manuals is ready, and I was thinking let us add some team notes too. So let's add a new note, and door lock issue. So here, Alice. Now this is used. This can be used generally in case suppose the lift has a certain very typical problem which manual doesn't cover so much, or the next person looking at the issue can directly go to a solution. And also sometimes in the older lifts it does not have a very good uh, fault code outputs, so this can be really very helpful. So you can give the tags as you like. So let's say lake view palace, or you can mention the controller type, etc. So I'll just save note. So this will also get ready status once it is done. So in the meantime we can just go back to the new chat and ask relevant questions. So let's see, now we have put in the fault code. So if an elevator is using that particular controller, so we'll ask what is error 8 and what is error 22, and this should be able to respond to it. So it does this very quickly. Here is the answer. So it is giving you that it is a CAN bus fault. Now see how we just mentioned error 8 and actual fault code is 08. So all these things are taken care of by the system itself, and yeah, here is the answer. So we'll look at the fault codes. Let's go to 8. So you can see the four options are given here, the same options are given here. The same reasons are given here. Okay. So now, other than this, let's see about the wiring diagrams. So I need to connect T1 for the junction box. I need a list of pins in T1. So you see what we uploaded. We have uploaded the wiring diagram here. Okay. So T1 is here. It's MRMS and PE, and third one is empty. So let's see what it gave out a proper answer to this. Okay. So basically, it can read the whole wiring diagram. So it can also list me the flow and safety circuit. So now because there is only one safety circuit, you can mention like that, but otherwise you have to be very specific about which safety circuit you're talking about. So here it is just giving phase one terminal. Okay, so it's very descriptive. Okay, so yeah, this is how the knowledge base works. We can also check how the team notes. Let's see if it is indexed first. Yeah, it's ready. Let's go. Door problem and door problem at Lake View building. What is that issue? So this should, okay, here. See, so it says the source very clearly here. Door lock issue. Who did it? By Rohan. Okay. So it says lift door needs adjustment. Most even first technician note. So it is giving out the results for you. So if it is using this controller, it will also give you the fault codes for it, but generally this is more relevant for you. Okay. Yeah. So that is how the knowledge base is used, and we'll discuss other things later. Thank you.